everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fit our rear badge inlay stickers. So the first thing we need to do is to get the badge nice and clean so that it's got a nice clean surface to adhere to. Different ways that you can fit the sticker to the badge. We tend to find that the easiest way to do it is to use toothpicks, but you can use your fingers or trim tools, whatever works best for you. So let's get fitting. As you can see, it's all fit now and it's looking really good. It took us about 5 to 10 minutes to do in total. The main thing to remember is to make sure that it's really clean and really dry before you apply it, and you should have no problems at all.